All right, 420 stoners. So we have a long overdue unboxing. This unboxing here is for a new Mars Hydro LED light. It's a part of their SP series. As you guys know, I've been running the SP series on this channel for the past year. And as you guys already know, I'm a super big Mars Hydro fan. As far as me personally, I have no complaints about their actual LEDs. They honestly are the most, in my opinion, pricey. I wouldn't say pricey, but they're the most price-friendly LED that's going to get you some pretty great production in your garden as a beginner grower. I advocate for that all the time. So, like I said, I've been running with the SP series for the past year or so, and I have an unboxing of the new SP6500, guys. I already opened the box because this is a big thing for me right now, and it's super heavy. It's a lot heavier than the other style lights. So, man, guys, I already wanted to pre-prep it so you guys can get a look at what's in the box. So, initially, upon opening the box, this is what you have when you're looking at it right here, man. You got some nice protection foam. We got some rope ratchets, per usual, pretty standard with any Mars Hydro LED. You're gonna get you some good old rope ratchets. I probably have about 50 of these with all the lights I've collected over the years, but pretty standard, simple rope ratchets here. Obviously, your power cable is over here, all runs through. We have a user manual, guys. Now, normally, I don't really look at the user manuals too much with a lot of these LEDs. It's pretty self-explanatory. You kind of got to plug and play. But this is what they have here, guys. They go ahead and they explain about each series of LED styles that they have with the newer styles. So you got the TS series going all the way up to the TS3000. And then we go all the way over here to the SP6000, which is what we have. And they also have an FC series, which I'm looking forward to trying out once I'm done with this round with the SP6500. As you guys can see, it is rated at max power, 650 watts. So this is a pretty powerful LED. Just based off of, we were running with the SP250 and then the SP3000. Look at the jump here, man. The SP3000 is running 300 watts, and the SP250 was running about 250 watts. So the SP6500 is going at a whopping 650 watts at 100% capacity. As you can see here, it is dimmable, and from 10% to 100%, which is pretty standard with the newer series, which is what I really appreciate. I really be feeling like a lot of these LEDs should come mandatory in a dimmer, just to avoid using energy that just doesn't need to be used. Obviously, I'm not going to be getting all the way up to 650 watts until I hit flower, but guys, this shit it's incredible. The dimensions, you guys can go ahead and check that out. It's pretty standard. It's the same size as far as lengthwise as the SP3000, but just has a lot more diodes in there, and I will go ahead and get to showing you guys that as well. And you can go ahead and check the amps and the voltage and all that good stuff here as well. So there's some assembly instructions here with the LED. Like I said, guys, this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. They have a daisy chain option, so I can actually use my SP3000 with this LED. And I don't think I can use this with my SP250. I don't think that one came with, that one didn't come with the dimmer. But the SP3000, I'm definitely sure I can connect this to my SP65. And so on and so forth. They give a couple grow tips and all that good stuff. So the manual here is shoved with some great information. Definitely check it out, guys. The biggest thing about any light company is that warranty. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and hit their warranty page real quick. You know what I mean? Let's check this warranty page out. Let's see. It should be all the way in the back here. Here we are. So definitely check their warranty out, man. This is the main thing for me when buying any LED from any company, is that you want to make sure that the warranty is in check, man. So definitely get at a pause, check that shit out, man. If it's something that's in your range, I definitely urge you guys, for any new grower, check out Mars Hydro, man. Like, you guys will not be disappointed. Anyways, let's get into getting this light unboxed. So we go ahead and pull off the foam, and right here we are looking at an Inventronics LED driver. Now this is way more massive than the SP6000. Way more massive. I mean, dude, that is a definite big difference here. Let's go ahead and pull some of this foam out so we can get a little bit more access here. Let's go ahead and set them up over here. And like I was saying, you definitely have a huge difference in driver. Oh, wow. I can actually even lift up the driver. There is, and this is pretty freaking heavy. Holy shit. Yeah, there's definitely some weight to this driver. Like I said, here's the model number, and it's an Inventronics. You guys go ahead and pause that. I mean, geez, this is pretty heavy duty stuff here. And right on the side here, it has the connector. It has the daisy chain connector, and it has the dimmer right here. And like I said, it's dimmable from 10 to 100%. So, damn. You know what? With this driver being, being able to be disconnected, I mean, that's pretty good. We can actually keep this on the outside because I feel like this is going to produce a lot of heat. I can already, just based off me, how heavy this shit is. All right, so let's go ahead, get this LED out. So the LED itself is fairly light, which is a good thing. It feels just as heavy as the SP3000. The driver would probably be the main thing giving it its weight, which we do have the option to not put the driver inside of wherever the grow area is. We can actually dock it on the outside. So here we are. This is the Mars Hydro SP6500, y'all. This is an immensely different looking one than the SP3000. I mean, noticeably, you can already see there's a shit ton of diodes here. I mean, this thing is packed with diodes, dude. So I already know off the top this is going to shoot out an immense amount of light. So as you guys can see, typical Mars Hydro here on the side, just like the SP3000 and the SP250. And there is no glass on the outside. This is just a regular. I mean, this is waterproof. You got the heat sinks here. It has a pretty nice stable heat sink. The heat sink is a lot thicker than the SP3000. But obviously it's gonna have to disperse a lot more heat. So it only makes sense for the heat sinks to be a lot big. A little bit more bigger. But yeah, guys, I mean, look at that Mars Hydro logo right there, man. It's looking phenomenal. So, that's what we have for now, guys, with the unboxing. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this plugged in and give you guys a show on what the actual LED is looking like. But I mean, this thing, I have no notion that this thing isn't going to be bright as hell. I have no worries. I mean, for it to go all the way up to 650 watts, this right here is about to shoot out an immense amount of power, guys. So definitely stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up. Give me 1 second and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we're back. We have the LED plugged in. Now we're about to go ahead and turn this bad boy on, and we're going to see how she looks. So this is the Mars Hydro SP6500. Take a look. The dimmer is all the way at minimum, so we're not even at maximum right now, man. Let's go ahead and see if... Ooh, buddy, and we're at 100%. 100%. That is extremely bright. Jeez, this is extremely bright, guys. Let's go ahead and load this down to back down to 10%. And look, you guys can even see that there's UV diodes all through there as well. So check it out. You know, there's a lot of reds in here, so that'll be super fire for flower. We'll be able to optimize on those reds a lot more and get a little bit better flower development out of this LED. And like I said, the UV diodes just add that extra. So let's go ahead and bump that back up, like I was saying. Woo! To 100%. I can feel the heat come off of this off of the diodes. I can feel the heat. Just straight up off the diodes itself, I can feel that. Holy shit. This is a bright ass LED, dude. This is a bright LED. I'm not feeling too much heat from the driver right now, but the driver hasn't been running for too long. So there's definitely heat coming off of this, off of the diodes, which is why I feel like this heatsink was made perfect. So it's just that the distribution of heat can be kind of dispersed a lot better, because these diodes will definitely, they seem like they're gonna get pretty hot. So definitely keep that in mind if this is something that you guys want to go ahead and purchase, man. You know what I'm saying? These diodes do heat up. I mean, at 100%, you can just, oh man, you can just feel the heat coming off this. Ooh, this is bright. You can just feel it like a little toaster. So yeah, other than that, y'all, that's about it for this LED unboxing, man. Big shout out to Mars Hydro for going ahead, shooting me out this LED. We're about to go ahead and beast it out up in that flower tent, man. And man, I really hope you guys stay tuned, man. This is about to be a beast of an LED. We're definitely going to go ahead and see what this LED can do up in that flower tent for us this round. So big shout out to Mars Hydro once again, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure if you guys like the video, please hit the thumbs up. It really does help show the channel a lot of love. Make sure if you guys have any questions or comments, as always, throw those down below. And if you have not already, subscribe, so you guys don't miss out on anything that we got going on with this Mars Hydro SP6500. Grow. Peace. I'll see you guys on the next video.